What's happening, YouTube Nation? Welcome back to Beards, Tech, and Tacos. So we already talked about the Ryobi impact driver and the drill slash driver, but those mean absolutely nothing if you do not have corresponding bits to use with them. Here we are with the titanium coated drill bit set, and we have the impact drill bit set. Not necessarily impact drill bit set, but impact set to use with the impact gun. So right here we have I believe this is the 3/4 socket right there, and this is the if we can get it to focus, and this is the I can't think of off top, but it's not the half inch. Half inch is bigger than that. So here we are for everything we need to work on any project, and these complement these two greatly. And get something for Father's Day, make sure it's something cool, and that's on the strength.